Hello everyone, today we are going to unboxing A7 2018. It's 128GB Super AMOLED Infinity display, triple camera and 4G octa-core, 24 megapixel plus 5 plus 8 and 24 megapixel front camera and 4 GB RAM. Okay, let's check what's inside. We have a cover. It's rubber cover. It seems good than the plastic one. It comes with all these devices. Okay, the wire, the charger, it's adaptive fast charging. It's 2 ampere, not 2.1. And the headphone, and we have the pin to remove the SIM card. That's it. The 3 cameras, it seems pretty cool. And the front camera, we have 3 buttons. We have a volume up and volume down, and the power button with the fingerprint. It's fingerprint button. We have type C charger with the headphone jack. Okay, we have different background, and we have the same icons in the app. Let's look over the cameras. The camera is pretty cool. It's shiny and very beautiful. It's not look very good camera to camera, but I can tell you it's very amazing. I like the camera. Let's try with the live focus. We have slow motion and AR emoji. This one is new. Okay, the rear camera looks good too. I'm going to try the fingerprint. Biometrics and security. Fingerprint scanner. Continue. I click pattern. Anything. Okay. That's cool. Looks cool. First time the fingerprint in the side of the phone. It was from front of the phone and the second thing, the back of the phone, and the third thing Samsung did in the side of the phone. The scanner is really fast. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Subscribe for more updates.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share.